What is your number one plumbing tip?
Number one plumbing tip would probably maintenance your water heater and flush it regularly. Helps with longevity of those and lasts longer.
Probably flushing your water heater. Again, I'm not a plumber, so I'd have to refer to them, but from what I understand, keeping the sediment from building at the bottom of your water heater is gonna help extend the life of the water heater.
Have your plumbing checked out as often as you can.
Don't use Drano. I've heard that from a lot of plumbers.
My number one plumbing tip would always be to make sure a professional licensed plumber, just make sure everything looks good, an annual preventive maintenance agreement for sure.